Okie dokie. Got the final package for my ThiEye camera. We'll open it. I already know what it is. And it came a day early, yay! So I can finally get this camera set up and start using it if I can ever use these scissors. Okay, it's really difficult to cut things with scissors these days. So, here we go. Come on, out, 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 out. And what's in here? My little remote control. Whew, finally. And I didn't have to wait a long time for this one because I was actually able to find it on Walmart's website and got it within a week. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I guess this other strap is like a wristband. So this camera, it sure has been a learning curve for me. It's not quite what I expected. I thought the camera, I'd just get it and immediately start using it. And then I found out you have to download a camera app on your phone. And I don't always want to use my phone because I want it to make it easier, you know, to have something in the palm of my hand if I wanted to record. Geez, they really packed this up well. Holy cow. I would like to keep the baggies because I like to keep them in order. If it doesn't rip up the baggie. It ripped. Oh well. So there we go. A Velcro wristband, which is nice. And something else in there. Oh, the battery. Awesome. At least they sent a battery. So there you go. The battery for the remote control. And the remote control itself. Any instructions? Nope. Oh, that's interesting. Nope, no instructions. But this is what it says. So it's voice activated. Oh well, this is, thank God for YouTube because this will be something else I'll be looking up on YouTube. And I'll finally get this camera set up going. When you order the camera, you get, let me show you. For my boy a mic. It's the camera. The boy a mic. What else am I looking for? I guess that's all I'm looking for. This one actually also came with something different. I don't know why mine was different. Get it out of the case. Okay, what's different is this was added. Instead of a second battery, I got this, which I think I'm supposed to be able to put on the back of this case and use the camera in the case, and it has better audio because it has grooves in here. So it picks up audio better when you're, you have it out in the weather and you want to keep it somewhat protected. So that's kind of interesting. I'll have to play with that. I haven't played with the camera really because it's just so much has been going on and I haven't had a whole lot of time. Put it back here. There we go. So, okay, so now my setup. Show you. I've got the Boya mic. Okay. 3.5 millimeter jack, which does not fit inside the tiny 2.5 millimeter jack. So I went to Fry's and I picked up 2 of these just in case because they're so small. I was afraid I might lose one. So snap it onto the 3.5 and then put it in the camera. But look, everybody else is having an issue of theirs not going into the camera far enough, and they're hacking their cameras. They're hacking holes in the jack port. And here, this one is actually longer. So I figure I can just get some padding and put it around here and maybe just use a little, I don't know, some kind of Velcro, some kind of sticky stuff that won't ruin or damage anything to hold that firmly in there. So we'll see. But this is cool. I got my whole setup now. And my gimbal loves it. My gimbal loves the camera. So that's awesome. I put it in my gimbal and it just sat straight up like it's supposed to. And of course the Boya mic, I have to remember to flip it over to camera. Right now it's off. So that's how you flip it over to camera. But I haven't quite learned how to use everything yet, so I will show you more information when I finally learn everything. Awesome! Can't wait to use it. It's in the triple digits. So I don't know when I'll be using it, but I'll give you a playback on it soon. Catch y'all later. Thanks for watching. Live the life you love. Okay, I found a little piece and I taped the instructions as best I could. Don't know if you can read it or not. But anyhow, I taped them back as best I could, and I have to upgrade the firmware on the camera to use the remote. So no biggie. But yeah, look at the package before you rip it open. It also says that the battery is rechargeable. I have never seen a rechargeable flat type battery before. So I don't know how you would charge it. Interesting. I'll have to find out about that. Okay, laters.